Good morning, students. Class 9th. We are going to start with the first chapter. We have done second chapter and third chapter. Now, today I will be doing the first chapter, that is the Earth as a planet. So, very simple chapter it is. All of you know about Earth because it's the place where we people are living. So, Earth is a small planet in the vastness of space. Okay, in a big space, you can say that Earth is a small planet. It's a part of it. It is one of the 8 planets. All of you know that we are having 8 planets. Okay, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So these are the 8 planets of our solar system. So our solar system is a tiny part of a spherical galaxy, that is the Milky Way. This is made up of billions of stars which look as if they have been sprinkled thickly into the night sky. You can see the picture of the Milky Way. This is our Milky Way. It is given the name, and it consists of made up of billions of stars. Now the solar system consists of the Sun at the center and 8 major planets, satellites, countless minor planets, asteroids orbiting around the Sun. So the word planet is derived. It is derived from the Greek word which means wonders. Planets are so known. Why they are called so? Because they keep on revolving around the Sun. So 8 planets I have already told you. The Earth is the 3rd planet. Please underline. Earth is the 3rd planet from the Sun, and densest planet in the solar system, and the largest of the solar system for terrestrial planet. Clear? It is the 5th largest planet in the solar family. It is one of the most beautiful planet and appears from space as a small greenish blue color. Reason? Because Earth is also known as a blue planet. It's a reason behind that, because 71% of the Earth, it is covered with the water. Clear? Now Earth is composed of 3 parts, जिसको हम reams बोलते हैं. Reams of the Earth or the Earth sphere. You can see the picture. Lithosphere, sphere of rocks. Hydrosphere, sphere of water. Atmosphere, sphere of air. So lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere. Clear, children? Litho, land, rocks. Water, hydro, H2O, white water. Atmosphere, air. Clear? So it consists of 3 reams. So reams, one by one we are going to discuss. Lithosphere, it's a solid crust made up of rocks, and a major part of the crust, it consists of the igneous rocks. Hydrosphere, 71% of the land is underwater, and it can be in the form of oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, etc. And 29% of Earth under land. So Earth is the only planet in the solar system where we will have an abundance of water. And water will be present in the form of all 3 forms: liquid, solid, and gaseous. Clear, children? Then atmosphere, it's a envelope of air surrounding the Earth. Okay, air is colorless, tasteless, and we can only feel, but how it looks we don't know. So Earth atmosphere extending up to 1600 kilometer around, containing 21% of oxygen, 78% of nitrogen, some part of carbon dioxide, 1% of argon, and some other gases present here. So atmosphere acts as a blanket of air which is protecting us from the UV rays, that is ultraviolet rays which are coming from the sun. Now what is the shape and size of the Earth? All of you know that you can see the picture over here. This is the Earth picture. This is the shape, oblate, seraphoid. Okay, it's in the form of it's like a orange, slightly flattened at the pole. Okay, and a bulge on the equator, which is known as geoid. Okay? So we can say that Earth is described as an oblate spheroid. Clear, children? Now, how can you prove that Earth prove of the Earth's shape? Earlier, I told you that after a longer period of time, we came to know that Earth is not a flat table. Earlier, it was assumed that Earth is not a spherical in shape. It is a flat table. Okay. Now some of the proofs are there which will prove that Earth is not a flat table. It's in the form of a circular. Now all the crystal bodies are spherical. So spheres are the only geometrical shape that are circular in outline. Okay. You all are math students, so you know what is a sphere. Sun, moon and all other bodies which are in our solar system, they are in circular outline. Clear? So though Earth too belongs to this group, so we can say that Earth is also sphere or spherical in shape. There is no exceptional for the Earth. Second point, it is that circumnavigation of the Earth. Time and again people, they are traveling around the world and to different direction. Now from where they are moving, at the end they will come to that place only. If it would have been a flat, then they would have not come back to their place. Then line of visibility increases the height. Now you can see here, this is a ship. Okay, this is a funnel. Now when it is moving from the far, अगर flat surface होगा, if it would have been a flat surface, so we will be able to see the ship. अगर flat surface होगा तो we will be able to see the complete ship. Though it is spherical in shape, we will be able to, first of all, we will be able to see this one. Clear? This part. Being circular. This also proved that Earth is a circular. Sunrise, sunset. If Earth was flat, the sun would rise and set at all the places at same time. But though Earth is spherical in shape, that is why we are having different time for rising and different time for setting. Horizon is circular. अभी हमने शिप से आपको देखा है. Horizon seems to be circular. Horizon from the deck, दूर से deck के उससे अगर हम देखेंगे तो it feels like this way. Clear? Now the Earth's surface is curved. Another beautiful diagram they have given you, that if you will dig 3 poles, okay, and if the Earth would have been flat, so you will be able to see the 3 poles. But though it's not flat, it is circular, so this one pole will be the bigger one. If we will see from the far, this will appear as a big one. Clear, children? So these are one more 2 proofs are also there. Lunar eclipse. Whenever there will be a lunar eclipse, the shadow cast. Lunar eclipse means जब मून को ग्रहण लगता है. ठीक है? So whenever there will be a lunar eclipse, the shadow which is cast by the earth on the moon, it is always circular. So it also give us the proof that earth is in spherical shape. Some of the photographs which we are getting from the earth, the artificial satellites which are sending the photographs of the earth, so they also proves that earth is a spherical in shape. So whenever they will ask you the question that give us the proof, how you can prove that earth is in spherical shape. So these are some of the proofs or some of the things they have mentioned which will prove that earth is spherical in shape.